Acumatica is the first ERP solution to fully support the B2B features in Shopify. It also fully supports B2B e-commerce, direct-to-consumer commerce, and in-store via Shopify POS. Unite your front and back office with the native integration between Acumatica and Shopify B2B. Here, a B2B customer uses a one-time code to log in and place an order for their company. To complete the purchase, B2B buyers can use a credit card, pay on credit terms with back-office invoicing in Acumatica, or use Acumatica payments to complete ACH payments. Customers can insert their purchase order number during checkout, and this will sync to the sales order in Acumatica. The Shopify B2B order is available within seconds in the Acumatica sales order application. Sellers work inside Acumatica to automate fulfillment, invoicing, and payments. Traditionally, merchants sold goods through business-to-business or business-to-consumer methods. Today, it is much more common for manufacturers and wholesalers to sell directly to consumers. These same businesses are beginning their own digital transformations to grow their brands and attract new customers. Manufacturers and wholesalers implement digital commerce technologies to facilitate frictionless sales that empower both their sales teams and their customers. The native, bidirectional connection between Shopify and Acumatica gives businesses the best platform for digital transformation. Manage the entire back office in Acumatica with automated updates to your Shopify storefront. Attract and thrill customers with the seamless front office experience in Shopify. Provide extra-mile features like fields for personalized items and cross-sell and upsell suggestions. Customers expect choices. Empower their online purchases by giving them the option to pay via credit card or purchase items on credit terms with back-office invoicing in Acumatica. Online orders are seamlessly synchronized into Acumatica for order management and fulfillment. You can easily manage refunds, exchanges, and item substitutions. Gain visibility into financials, stock availability by warehouse, and business data with role-based dashboards and embedded CRM. B2B customers are unlike direct-to-consumer buyers. In a B2B relationship, your customer is a company, and each individual buyer is a contact within that company. It is important to maintain this hierarchy when synchronizing companies and buyers between Shopify and Acumatica. Individual buyers have access to the correct customer pricing with company-level financial reporting. With bidirectional synchronization between Shopify and Acumatica, customers in Acumatica become companies in Shopify. The contacts in Acumatica sync to become customers in Shopify. Updates made to either of these data elements in either system synchronize to the other application, creating a seamless and always current connection. View multiple stocking locations from Shopify, such as retail stores, distribution centers, and warehouses. Drill down to data about authorized B2B buyers who make purchases on behalf of their organizations. Set up buyer permissions to restrict purchases for particular items or locations. Businesses selling to other businesses often apply special pricing rules. Pricing options are flexible, supporting specific pricing by buyer, company, location, or other criteria. Because not all buyers are the same, sellers must be able to set up different pricing groups, pricing per location, and pricing per customer. For example, your best customers may receive a 20% discount on all purchases, while others may only see special offers or list prices. Sellers manage price lists inside Acumatica. Price lists and rules are harmonized with your Shopify Plus platform. Learn how Acumatica customer Clive Coffee transformed their organization with Acumatica and Shopify.
Our technology stack is very important, and so while we started with Acumatica on the operations and inventory side, the retail connection into our Shopify site was crucial. We can edit products, pricing, and inventory directly through Acumatica, and with that API call into Shopify, it makes our world a lot easier. We have one source of truth, and our data integrity is spot on for the consumer, which leads to a frictionless experience on the front end.